1 second. Here we go, 2-box break of SP Game Usagi. Whoa! Keith took a trip down the computer. That was crazy. There we go. There we go. Alright, I'll open both and that way we don't have to stop the cracking. Good luck, sir. Alright. Here we go, first pack. keithmes, Team Canada Fabrics. Here's a fatty. We got a patch. I think it's a draft day marks. Oh, no, it is not. Oh, I love these cards. I don't know who it is, so good luck. Numbered 5 of 12. Supreme Patches. Claude Giroux. Supreme Patches, Claude Giroux. Love those cards. So nice. Man. We have an autograph, authentic rookie auto of Akeem Alou. Akeem Alou. Dustin Brown, Dustin Penner, dual authentic fabrics. Jake Allen, authentic fabrics. There's a good one to get right now. What, 7-1 now? Just got a shutout the other night. There's another good one to get. Authentic rookie autograph, Jaden Schwartz. Authentic rookie autograph, Jaden Schwartz. Wow. Number 31 of 34, authentic fabrics gold, Jake Allen. Authentic fabrics gold, number 34, Jake Allen. That's a good one as well. Authentic rookie autograph of Riley Sheehan. Oh, here's a rookie. I was like, what's going on here? Numbered 44 of 48, authentic rookie, true rookie, Ryan Hamilton. Ryan Hamilton, true rookie, number 48. And an Eric Stahl, Team Canada Fabric, and that's a case hit as well. True rookie and the Supreme. And triple, Mark Stahl, Derek Stepan, and Chris Kreider. Triple authentic fabrics. Keith.